You see, representing.
Every day, any day, all day.
Almost through, almost you. Charlie, we represent.
All day. Your new one, Podam, new one, not Podam. John is going to come on the line.
What's wrong with your room?
Hey.
Would you show me, you're Charlie, me say this year Ghana and you be uncle Cadem and you be uncle them. Me say you to 4 Ghana you to 4 so be a strike near your promoter or be uncle strike name promoter. You've done a great job, bro. Yeah, tidy omo. Yeah, tidy omo. Yeah, tidy. Yeah, tidy omo. Hey, Jamel, you
Hey, can it be him?
Maybe I me what Connecticut. Me a land guard woman.
Connecticut. Debbie oh vibe no. What's that?
Vibe no.
Me that's it. Connecticut. One kind of South Carolina, and that's I say only visa.
Debbie me kita American book into your kata. And say a casa more mutia say channel we hold the book. We don't hold America.
I know percent
Ghana, you have like 40 years now, can maybe another 10 years account. 50 years. Album we had last year. Album they blew out from last year, Corona time. Ebe do this year. Me see a new bianca them.
Na video no who say.
Hey, na say video wouldn't say. Charlie, video na nene. Video no. I'm nene aje force. Video no bomb. Exactly.
Hey, Ghana for. Mo wa se ma me dealing with you. Mo wa se ma me. Mo wa se ma me. Video no. Anene aje force. And you be a becker them. I swear down. Me say Jamil or yeah, Messi or bad life no to the neighbor. Oh, funny bad life. Funny bad life. Momo ye mo sisi omo. Momo say wunye Ghana artist or mo promoting. We internationally. Internationally. What's it? Me say one thing. Me say me be say I don't know Ghana. What it Ghana for sir? He say na me your interview. Me na me your interview. No mood your home. I want me a page. I don't know what it is. At the end of what just Ghana me say. I would say Ghana for no. One thing I me notice what Ghana for so mum pet. It will be to say we say no. Niama why you need the brand, the way I want carry Ghana to another level. We know be crana, some see what Ghana crana. Ghanaians need to almost so praise the war and so more promote Ghana for no stars like you, musicians to say, oh, I'm with the Ghana to map no so much more respect. I bet you with your womb. Fine. What to say? What I assume now? And your classmates, you know, and your classmates, you know, classmates Guzu. Oh, class 1 for no. Oh, yeah, banana, Bino Moody, Obian and classmates, or your classmates, you know, oh, classmates international for to say, whoa, classmates in Ghana, who need size or Ghana, oh, yeah, sizeless or Ghana. Eh, Namia, Ghana for now, no more supporting. Into the one kind of any now. But we do my day when you Ghana for a support you forget it. Or what we do my day and no one pie when they do, baby, we do, no forget it. Right? Ghana for more support you or my Ghanaians. Maybe you're proud Ghanaian, and I know you're also proud. Be native. Be native. Ghana, what when you Obi on you be native one support you. Oh,
Be native.
no, but we dear, mammy, new patcho, mammy, strength, kaka.
Clear.
Your Ghana for no, now we are Ghana. And I am natural. Who you do my dear? Obia, I say, to say, a boom out there. Who of a dear or saying cookum crab, better on call, because it make me banana.
And they're no credit. But as I want to say, they wish you well. They wish you well, but they don't wish for you to be like them. You know that.
Official Lil Wayne a battle. Yeah. Me feeling
talk the way I'm Lil Wayne fans. Obama me na sa be kun. Me
double. Me feeling the way the double. Say your my dream that. Ras nene on to cry.
Na zone sell your way your fellow te.
Big up to you. Big up. Adiana a bua traso cry. Big up.
Me bacho shows wa how. Corona ni ntwe mu ntem na wo shows.
Na me aye the turn be to cry.
Turn e dem pacho wo shows.
And the chat one on they say, I mean big ups. What remu men that out. One Ghana for who say you can belong to a hardcore fan base, but you can also be a very industry person because you have the industry at heart. That's all I'm gonna say. And I just want to clear this air. Say Obifi say no oye bi abi nkwano bo aboye in Ghana no the way you are there for the industry.
I'm there, but I am there for everybody or anybody. But me, my DNA is being.
Oh, but say, I mean, come on, it's obvious.
So that I do.
Mean.
Beam.
Man, thank you guys for keeping me. Big tune is out. Make sure you guys link up and link through. I love you so much. It's called Motion. Before I go, I just want you guys to know, no matter what you're going through, just keep up the motion. Slow motion better than no motion. See?
Say, oh, aquantum, oh, abrochi, na opese o sendi sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana. And I say opese o sendi sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana. Me therefore, mamin come for lemfi amount. The entire me come for lemfi amount nyina ne say, oh, pay money transfer. Omo exchange rate e was kese pa e lemfi. Na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe. Now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And now wo UK. Now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now your $100 first transfer amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya o cashback no. Mema rain fi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so say wo America na opese wo shipping nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo free Box Oak says ya o fro ma when him round so no mu gina waboboa no omo be box nyoma ne kama na omo dia call Ghana asumdwe mama. Omo so eni December ko e kan ne say ufro ma ka kyerom say enam the Bonah show so na ote omo nka omo so mprempren na omo beche 10% discount. Nia chat woni say o ko Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana abeko Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe ba bia da mo asomadwo obepe ba bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope ba bia da mo asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say there sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com